In the next episode of Uzak Sehri, Mariam will finally decide that silence is more dangerous than confusion. She will ask Aliha and Sihan to meet away from the mansion, knowing to Sadakat will try to stop her. Mariam will explain that Borhan used to uncertain surrounding her child to control everyone. He encouraged to Sihan to believe that child to might to his allowed to Sadaqah to protect possibility threaten Aliha will Sindel that would be destroyed to Danish security. Yet Mariam will reveal that she never received a reliable paternity result. The original test disappeared and the replacement was arranged through a clinic connected to Karthal. Alia will furious that Mariam allowed to ally to reunion wedding, but she will also see that Mariam was trapped by fear and abuse. Sihan will demand a new test under independent supervision before it can happen to Mariam. The child will finish and the safe location evidence will suggest she failed, but Alia will notice that Mariam left behind the medicine the child need. This detail proof she was taken. Sihan and Alia will follow to separate clue and argue over to strategy. Sihan want to attack Kartan and kidnapper want to exactly that reaction. She will trace the clinic altered files and discover that fall paternity story a protect another man was identity would damage Karthal. Ufak will identify the location of an old laboratory where medical record were stored before being to digitized. They are Alia find a handwritten entry showing that Mariam was already pregnant before the night everyone associated with Asihan. The child cannot be to this. Relief will wash over Sihan, but it will be immediately by replaced by angry at the years stolen by manipulation. The true father names will be partly burned, leaving only a initial matches. Someone close to Kartal during the recuse Aleha will use to incomplete record and by telling the kidnappers it true enough to rare passage will Aleha keep them tracking. Mariam and child will be saved, and for the first time Mariam will apologize Aleha without excuse. Aleha will not forgive her immediately, but she will promise the child will not to pay for adult crimes. The episode will end with Sadakat learn to test result and react not to relieve the terrier. She will perfectly privately tell to Karthal that must truth remain buried because if Sihan learn who real father is and who murder inside the family will expose to Kartal will answer that is appreciably when he allowed the partner treaty lie to survive.